Hello everybody, today I thought I'd teach you how to make a very quick and simple paper crocodile. They're super fun to make, and once you've figured out how to make one you can practice using different coloured papers. You can make a whole collection of crocodiles. Actually, I wonder what the collective noun is for crocodiles. Maybe you could find out. So you can see I started off with a plain green one, and then I've investigated using some leftover Christmas card, and I'm going to use now what I have left in my paper box, which is some yellow paper, to show you how to make yours. Okay, so what are you going to need? Well, you'll need a piece of paper or card. Card is probably better than paper actually. You'll need a pencil, a pair of scissors, some glue and some white paint, and if you've got some googly eyes. And let's get cracking. First things first, you need to take your piece of paper or card and fold it long ways in half, like so. So you've got the fold facing you. Once you've got the fold, you can draw out the shape of your crocodile. I've literally just put my pencil down. Where is it? Here. Okay. So you can draw your outline first, if you like, before you cut it. So let me draw the outline of the crocodile to begin with. Let me show you how that goes. So you're going to almost draw an arc, like you would do a shallow rainbow. Let's imagine we've done that from corner to corner, or like a big sun. And then just at the bottom, to help you out, you're going to draw in two upside down U's. Those are the feet, like so. Almost looks like a frog's face, doesn't it? So the shape you're going to cut out is that one. Of course, if you're confident to cut without drawing, go ahead and free cut your shape out. So let me cut this out. And there we have it, our crocodile shape. Once you've cut out your crocodile, I'd like you to turn it so that your fold is facing you again. And you're going to make some incisions to create the bumpy back by taking your scissors and cutting left, so down towards the tail. So if this is the mouth end and this is the tail end, we're going to cut 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little strips like that. You could mark them out with a pencil, but it should be quite easy to do. Trying to make sure that they're all about the same length. Each cut is about the same length. Once you've done that, open up your crocodile, and you're going to fold over each of your cuts to make a diamond shape. We're going to fold our crocodile back over in half. This can be a little bit fiddly. There we go. And now all we need to do is to paint on our teeth and give him or her some googly eyes. So I would put your crocodile flat again for this part. Take some paint. I'm just using, what have I got? Acrylic paint, but you can use any poster paint you've got maybe. And if you don't have, you could always just use a pencil, couldn't you? Paint on carefully the teeth. This might not show up so well on yellow card, but we'll give it a go. It's like painting on little triangles in a row to make some nice teeth. Can you see that? And then turn it around and do the same on the other side. There we have it, some sharp white teeth on our crocodile, and I'm just going to pop in some googly eyes now, so let's take a couple of these. There we have it, another little crocodile for my collection. I hope you enjoy making these crocodiles at home. I would love to see your work, So if you are able to upload it to Instagram, you can tag me. My Instagram handle is in the box below, in the description box. Of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Always good to have a thumbs up. And I hope to see you very soon. Take care. Bye.